Title: Grit, the key to overcoming challenges. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word grit. Grit is a noun that refers to the determination, courage, and perseverance to achieve long-term goals, even in the face of adversity or obstacles. It signifies the strength of character and resilience needed to overcome challenges. Pronunciation: pronouncing grit is simple, grit, with a soft G and clear enunciation. Use in a sentence. For example, people with grit are more likely to succeed because they have the determination to persist and overcome setbacks. Importance: grit is a crucial attribute that empowers individuals to face difficulties, adapt to change, and keep pushing toward their aspirations. Conclusion: in summary, grit is a word that represents the unwavering determination and resilience that lead to success. Thanks for joining us today on Connect to World. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, celebrate the power of grit in achieving your goals and dreams.